Search for the best franchises to buy and you'll usually see the same categories: food, fitness, cleaning, home services, and senior care. Window tinting and automotive restyling deserve a place on that list. The reason has nothing to do with tinting being trendy or easy. The model brings together several qualities franchise buyers want: practical customer demand, a focused operation, premium services, non-perishable inventory, and more than one way to generate revenue. Start with the customer problem. Automotive tint can reduce heat and glare, increase privacy, block ultraviolet exposure, and improve the appearance of a vehicle. Residential and commercial film can address hot rooms, screen glare, fading, and comfort in homes and workplaces. That means the service isn't limited to one kind of customer. Drivers, homeowners, offices, retailers, property managers, and dealerships can all have reasons to buy window film. Now compare the operating model with other franchise categories. Food businesses often deal with perishables, large teams, long opening hours, and strict health controls. Fitness concepts can require large facilities and a constant membership sales effort. Traditional automotive repair depends on specialized technicians, diagnostic equipment, and complex workflows. A professional tint and restyling shop still requires capital, training, and discipline management. But the operation can be more focused. The inventory doesn't spoil. The work is appointment-friendly. The results are visual. And a leaner team can deliver several high-value services from one location. The most important advantage is the service mix. Black Optix Tint is built around automotive window tinting, residential and commercial film, paint protection film, ceramic coatings, and color change wraps. Those services are related without being identical. A driver who visits for tint may return for paint protection or a wrap. A local business owner may become both an automotive and commercial film customer. Dealership relationships can create a different form of demand from retail traffic. Multiple revenue streams don't guarantee profitability. They do give the owner more ways to fill the schedule, create packages, and grow the value of a customer relationship. Window tinting also benefits from visual proof. Customers can see completed work, installation quality, and before and after results. Reviews, photographs, and referrals are especially valuable in a category where craftsmanship is visible. The category isn't without challenges. Poor installation quality creates rework. Underpricing can make a busy shop unprofitable. Local tint laws have to be understood and followed. Owners need reliable lead generation, clear quoting, technician training, and a professional customer experience. Those challenges are also why franchising can be valuable. The franchise path is designed to reduce the amount an owner has to invent alone. Training, operating standards, supplier relationships, service menus, and ongoing support can shorten the learning curve. Franchise buyers should still do the same due diligence they'd use for any opportunity. Review the current franchise disclosure document. Understand the total investment and ongoing fees. Evaluate the territory. Speak with owners. Decide whether the daily role fits your strengths. Window tinting belongs on every serious franchise list because it combines practical demand with premium service, visual marketing, and a diversified customer base. It offers exposure to automotive, residential, and commercial markets without requiring the operating model of a restaurant or a heavy repair facility. For the right owner, it can be a compelling middle ground, a real brick-and-mortar business, a focused team, and a platform with room to expand. To learn how Black Optix Tint structures that opportunity, visit blackoptixtintfranchise.com.